Hello guys and welcome back to this video. So Bybit is giving away $1,000 worth of position airdrop to both Bybit existing users and new users alike. So if you are just joining Bybit right now, you qualify to claim that, okay? Or if you are going to join right now, you qualify to claim that $1,000 worth of position airdrop. And if you're already an existing user, you equally qualify to claim the $1,000 worth of position airdrop. And all Bybit requires you to do is, after claiming this money, use it and trade features, and whatever profit you make on top of that, it is 100% yours. And mind you guys, this is just for a limited time. So if you now start wasting time, you will miss out on this offer. All right, so what you need to do to start with the existing user, if you already have a Bybit account and you're already trading, all you need to do to be able to claim this $1,000 worth of position airdrop, all you need to do is to do a trading volume of up to 100K and you'll be able to claim that. Now, for those of you who don't understand what trading volume is all about, trading a volume of 100K doesn't mean that you need to have up to $100,000 to be able to do that, right? Let's say you open a long or a short trade on BTC right now with a 100x leverage using $1,000 as your margin. You have already completed a 100K trading volume. In that case, you'll be able to qualify and claim this, right? So if you want to be doing it by $100 or thereabout, so you now calculate, if I do a $100 with maybe 10x leverage or a 100x leverage, you multiply it, that's the volume you're doing. And as you continue to accumulate this volume, once you get up to 100K, Bybit automatically gives you access to this $1,000 worth of position airdrop that you can use to start trading and keep 100% of whatever profit you made on top. And for new users, the offer for new users is that first you need to make a deposit, okay? You need to create a Bybit account. That is number one, right? And to be able to qualify for this, you need to use the link that have been made available, and the link that you can use for this event is in the video description. So you must use my partnership link to be able to qualify. Okay, so go to that link, create a Bybit account. Even if you are going to download the app from Play Store or from your Apple Store, all you just need to do is to make sure where it says referral code, you type in digital there. That way you'll be able to qualify to claim this position airdrop. Right? So once you do that, the next thing is to get your Bybit account verified and then make a deposit of at least $100. The minimum that Bybit requires from you is $100 and above. And after making a deposit of $100, you need to do a trading volume worth $1,000. Now your own is very simple as a new user, right? So if you go and open a position on BTC, for instance, with a 10x leverage, and you use the whole of your margin to enter that trade, okay, opening that position alone, you have done $1,000 in position in volume, all right? And when you close it, it means that you have done $2,000 in volume, all right? So you just need to open a position and then close it in profit and you are done. Then you can claim the $1,000 worth of position airdrop, okay? So to be able to claim that, if I go to my phone right here, you need, let's assume you have created the account, you funded the account and all of that, okay? By the way, if you want to take advantage of all the free signals that we share, you want to learn more about crypto, you can join us on Telegram, okay? The link will be on my bio or in the video description. So once you go to your Bybit app and you open up the app, you will be able to access your reward hub right here on the home page. If you don't see your reward hub on the home page, all you just need to do is to click on move and look for reward hub. Once you see reward hub, go ahead and click on it. In my own case, it is on my home page, so go ahead and click on it. All right, so once you click on it, you'll be able to scroll down here and you'll see the trade 100K, okay, get $1,000 position airdrop. So all you need to do right here is to accept, okay? Go ahead and accept it. So you click on accept and it will bring you to this page, okay? Right here you will see that this event will end in 15 days. All right, so it is limited, all right? It is for a limited time and you need to act right now because it is on first come, first serve, okay? Because there is a particular location that Bybit has allocated for this. So once they finish claiming it, well, I doubt if you'll be able to get. So act right now, create that account right now, make your deposit right now, complete the trading tax, and you'll be able to claim this money for free, okay? But before you do that, make sure that you accept, all right? Go ahead and click on accept, and that is it. The next thing is just to go ahead and continue trading. And as I said earlier, as an existing user to do 100K, you just need to buy enter a long or a short trade on, let's say, BTC with the 100x leverage using $1,000 as your margin, you have done 100K already, right? And then as new user, you just need to enter a trade, either long or short, with your $100, all right, using a 10x leverage, and you have done $1,000 in volume already, and you'll be able to claim this reward all for free. Now, once you claim this reward, once you come in here to claim the reward will be distributed. I think when this event ends, yes, 3 to 5 days after this event ends, the reward will be distributed. You will now be able to use this reward to start trading, and whatever profit you make from that, you can keep 100% of it. You can withdraw it. You can do whatever you want with it. Okay, so take advantage of this opportunity right now before it expires, and I hope that you will be able to qualify for it. Okay, so go act right now, guys. All right, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. You're welcome.